The video you are watching now was created using chatbot only. To make such a video, you first have to write a story, then you have to make prompt for the story, then you have to generate image form prompt. After that, you can create video form the images. Then, to make that video interesting, you need to give voiceover and background music. All of these things are very time-consuming and difficult to get for free. But today, I will introduce you to a website where you just have to give your story on the website, and your voiceover and background music and caption will be automatically generated according to the story. And you can make the entire video for free, so please watch the entire video without skipping it. Go to ChatGPT and then type "Write a story of honest woodcutter." Then ChatGPT will make me a very beautiful story. Copy the story. Now go to Google and search for Magic Light. Click on the Magic Light website. Now click Sign In or Sign Up for creating your account. I just click Login with Google. I pasted the story copied from ChatGPT here. I set the video language to English and clicked on the video style 3.0, the first one. And then I clicked Next. Magic Light will beautifully arrange your story. Then click Next again. Now you need to choose the character of your story. You can choose your character by age or gender. Since there are two characters in my story, I chose two characters separately here. Then I clicked Next. It will take some time to generate the image or video from the prompt, so please wait patiently. Once the generation is created, you will see them all here. You can control the voice-over speed for each line and use a different voice on each scene if you want. You can even animate each character individually according to your story. Finally, click Next. You can use any image from here for the video cover if you want. You can also change the cover title if you want. I'm changing my cover title here. If you want, you can change the text front of the voice caption also. From the background music section, you can provide a background music according to your story, or, if you want, you can create the video without any background music. I am not providing any background music here, so I clicked on None. If everything is correct, click the Generate button. Finally, it asks me in what ratio I want to export the video. I will export the video in 9:16 aspect ratio. Now it's the turn of the final video generation. It will take some time. Please wait patiently. Our video is ready. You can easily download your video from the download option on the top right. Let's see how our video turned out.
Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village. One day, while chopping wood near the river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. "Oh no, my axe!" the woodcutter exclaimed. "How will I continue to work now?" Feeling hopeless, he sat on a rock beside the river, staring at the water. Suddenly, the river god appeared before him. "Do not worry, woodcutter. I have seen your honesty. What troubles you?" the river god asked. "My axe has fallen into the river. Without it, I cannot work. I have nothing left to chop wood with," the woodcutter replied. The river god nodded. "Let me help you." He dove into the river and soon emerged holding a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" he asked. "No," said the woodcutter. "That is beautiful, but it is not mine." The river god nodded and dove again, emerging with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" he asked. "No, that is not mine either. My axe is simple and old, but it is mine." The river god smiled and dove into the river once more. He returned holding the woodcutter's old, rusted axe. "Here is your axe," the river god said. "I see you are truly honest. You chose the right one, even though the golden and silver axes were far more valuable." The woodcutter took his axe and said, "Thank you, river god. I could not accept the golden or silver axes. They were not mine. I am just happy to have my own back." The river god smiled. "Because of your honesty, I will reward you." He handed the woodcutter the golden axe and the silver axe as well. "These are for you. May they bring you good fortune." The woodcutter, filled with gratitude, took the axes. "Thank you, river god. I will always remain honest." The woodcutter went back to his village with the golden and silver axes. The villagers were amazed at his good luck, and the woodcutter lived happily ever after, using his wealth to help others. He never forgot the lesson of honesty, and it brought him great joy and prosperity.